two of these donuts and they both did not get cut properly. Up on Pierre and these little macaroons. Two little twin rabbits. I have one that's in the bag and one that's out the bag. These little popsicles, and for some reason this one's stick is the exact same color as the popsicle. I have two more rabbits. This one's an E and this one's a P. I have two different ones of this little guy. He's cute. I don't know who he is, but he wears very interesting outfits. Look how cute he is. An alarming amount of cupcakes. These ones are identical, believe it or not. This cute little guy and he has popcorn. I have no idea what animal that's supposed to be.